Hello everyone! As we celebrate this Independence Day, we wish you joy and happiness. Today, we want to share an advanced model repair case with you. Here we have a model of the Statue of Liberty. Let's see if it is ready for 3D printing, or if there are any issues that need to be solved. First, navigate to the Mesh tab and activate the Mesh Healer. Here, we can see that the model has thousands of issues. Let's try to repair them all first with the Mesh Healer, using the Repair Selected feature. We can see that the Repair Selected doesn't help, and only ruins the model by creating holes in it and erasing the details. Now, we will set the minimum voxel size and try to rebuild the model. Here we have it. Our model is not perfect yet, but it has fewer issues now, and all the details have been well preserved. Next, we see that we have two components left. Let's take a look at them. Close the Mesh Healer window and click on the Two Components feature in the Mesh tab. Now, let's view the components separately. It seems like one of the components is not affecting the whole model, so we can just delete it. Activate Mesh Healer again. We can see that the model has self-intersections. Let's try to repair them by changing the settings. Click on the Gear button and uncheck the Cut and Fill field. Click on Repair Selected. Great! Now we don't have any self-intersections, and we have also decreased the number of degeneracies. The next step is to get rid of degeneracies. Keep them selected, close the Mesh Healer window, and then roll back one step. In the Information section, we now see that the selection is active. Then, activate Expand Selection, which is located in the Select tab. Let's delete the selected triangles using the Delete Selection tool. We have now deleted the degeneracies area. The last step is to repair the holes. Activate the Mesh Healer and click on the Repair Selected button. And here we have it. Our Liberty statue is fully repaired without ruining the details of the design. Thank you for watching, and happy Independence Day! If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us at support@meshinspector.com.